Hey everybody, it's Neil and we are in the BMW and we have this wireless Bluetooth diagnostics checker, and it is the ANCEL BD300, which should work for the BMW because that's what we're in. So let's see what we got here. So this is the little baggie that it comes in, and there is the device. So we're going to plug this into the car and install the app and see what we've got going on in the car. Okay, so here is the app and I connected to it. And it kind of tells you, I guess, the battery level, and it's got a bunch of other stuff in it too. It says turn off the vehicle. If I wanted to test certain things, you have to have the vehicle off. We were driving, so kind of kept it on. But it just kind of explains a little bit about some of the connectivity and stuff. And we connected to our BMW X. I sped this up just because it was, downloading all the different diagnostics, and we did have a few different codes that were fails, I guess, but didn't know exactly what to do with it. But it just kind of gave us some information. You can kind of see we have different errors and all. And it could just keep reading it and tell us all our stuff about the car. So it's pretty cool. So that's kind of like it. So you can see up in the corner, I don't know if it's that corner or that corner, we're doing the little diagnostics of it. And there was a few errors. I'm not sure exactly what those mean or anything like that, but I guess it means we have to take it in the car to get it fixed. But it's good to know, and if you're into the car stuff and you know exactly what it is, then you'll be able to fix it. So pretty cool, nice little device.